30, 40 mils more. It's fine. And once that happens, take the chicken, diced chicken, and use your soy sauce. Put in the chicken and just nicely mix it together with the soy sauce. Chicken. And that you leave it inside. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take all the curry powder, chili powder, coriander powder, all the stuff, and put everything. This is after about, I think it's about 5 minutes, so 7 minutes, so just put everything together. And just mix it well. When you mix it like that, you can see it just comes as a paste. Just leave it there. Put your heat up and just let it roast a bit on the oil for about a couple of minutes or minute. So once all that's all done, what you need to do is don't put the salt yet. I put the salt halfway, and when you get you can smell the aromas and stuff of the curry powder, the coriander, and the green chilies and everything. So I think I might have to put a bit of more oil as well. So that you got to just think and do it, because if it's getting stuck into the pan, just put a bit of oil so it just releases of getting stuck. So once it comes to that consistency, get your chicken and put your chicken, half of the chicken first, coat it nicely. Why I put half of the chicken is, if you put the whole chicken in, it's quite difficult to coat it. So little by little you add the chicken. Add the chicken nicely, coat it. There you go. That's all the chicken gone in now. I quite like to use the pressure cooker because it makes your life much easier than cooking in a normal pot, because it just cooks the meat excuse me, very soft and cooks perfectly and quick as well. So that's, once you've done that, you add your half of your tomatoes in, mix it well again, and then you can add some water. So I'm using about 1/3 of a liter, or 300 ml of water, just to cover the chicken. Not much, that's all. And you must be thinking, where's the milk? Where's the coconut milk gone in today? Right. I don't like coconut milk going in my chicken. I like it made with water. But making with water doesn't mean that it's runny or anything. And it just makes a nice gravy as well, and it's really, you can make it thicker by reducing the water, keeping the lid open and cooking, or you can just close and cook and you can get a good decent gravy. So what you're going to do is, now it's all mixed well, you're going to close the pressure cooker like that. Make sure you put it properly, and with the pressure cooker you get the weight, and you need to put the weight on. Now before putting the weight on, you got to wait. From this hole you can see a steam coming. Now don't put your finger there, it's deadly. So once the steam comes up, you put your weight on that. So I'm going to just going to put it before the steam, that's the smell. So that's happened. So now you leave the pressure cooker on the stove with the weight on it, and make it whistle. It will whistle after about 2 minutes. It will start whistling, so it releases the steam out and it automatically pressures again. So leave it to whistle about good for 5-6 times or 7 times. So once all that 7 times is done, I'll come back to you and show how the chicken is done. So I'll see you in once the whistle goes 6-7 times. Thank you.